Most people think Amish rules are strict laws written down in a secret rulebook. The truth is far more human, and far more interesting. At the heart of Amish life is something called the Ordnung. The Ordnung is not a legal code. It is not written down. And it is not enforced by police or courts. The Ordnung is a shared agreement that guides how an Amish community chooses to live. Every Amish church district has its own Ordnung. That means there is no single Amish rulebook followed by everyone. What is allowed in one Amish community may be discouraged or forbidden in another. This local approach is intentional. Amish communities believe rules should grow out of shared values, not outside pressure. The Ordnung exists to protect unity, humility, and equality within the group. To understand the Ordnung, it helps to understand how Amish communities are organized. Amish life revolves around small church districts, usually made up of 20 to 40 families who live close together. These districts meet for church services in members' homes rather than in formal church buildings. Because the group is small, everyone knows one another well. This closeness is essential. The Ordnung only works because it is built on trust. The rules themselves cover many aspects of daily life. They influence how people dress, how they travel, how they work, how they farm, and how they use technology. They also guide home design, business practices, and even how people interact socially. Clothing rules are one of the most visible parts of the Ordnung. Plain dress is required to avoid drawing attention to the individual. Colors are muted. Styles are consistent. Fashion trends are avoided. The purpose is not control. The purpose is equality. When everyone dresses similarly, wealth and status are less visible. No one stands out. No one competes. Transportation rules are another key part of the Ordnung. Most Amish communities prohibit personal car ownership. Horse-drawn buggies are used instead. This slows life down. It keeps families close to home. It limits long-distance travel that might weaken community bonds. Technology rules are often the most misunderstood. The Amish do not reject technology simply because it is modern. They evaluate each tool carefully. The question is never, is this useful? The question is, what will this do to our community? Does it encourage independence at the expense of cooperation? Does it make people less dependent on one another? Does it introduce inequality? If the answer feels uncertain, the technology is usually rejected. That is why some Amish communities allow battery-powered tools while others do not. Some permit hired drivers. Some allow limited phone use in shared spaces. Others forbid it entirely. All of these choices come from the Ordnung. Business practices are also shaped by these rules. Amish businesses are expected to remain small and family-centered. Growth is not pursued for its own sake. A business that becomes too large can pull people away from home, church, and community. If that happens, the Ordnung may require changes or limits. Even homes are influenced by these guidelines. Many Amish houses are simple by design. They are built for function, not display. Comfort is valued, but luxury is discouraged. The Ordnung is not static. It can change, but only slowly. Changes usually happen after long discussion. Leaders and community members talk privately. Concerns are raised. Possible consequences are considered. There are no quick votes. No sudden shifts. Unity matters more than convenience. If the community cannot agree on a change, it does not happen. This slow pace is one reason Amish life appears stable across generations. The Ordnung acts as a buffer against rapid cultural change. Leadership plays a guiding role, but not a commanding one. Each district has a bishop, ministers, and a deacon. These men are chosen from within the community and continue living ordinary lives. They do not make rules alone. They help interpret the Ordnung and encourage discussion. Their role is to preserve harmony, not enforce authority. When someone breaks a rule, the response is usually quiet and personal. The goal is restoration, not punishment. Most issues are resolved through conversation and guidance. Serious discipline is rare and handled with care. The Ordnung works because it is rooted in shared belief rather than fear. Amish people agree to follow these rules when they join the church as adults. This choice is voluntary and deeply meaningful. By accepting the Ordnung, individuals commit to putting community before personal preference. This is why the Ordnung still matters today. In a world focused on speed, convenience, and individual freedom, The Amish choose restraint, patience, and cooperation. The Ordnung reminds them that not every new tool improves life. That limits can be freeing. That simplicity can protect what matters most. It is not about nostalgia. It is about intention. The Ordnung helps Amish communities remain stable, connected, and grounded, even as the outside world changes rapidly. It is not perfect. It is not rigid. But it has endured because it serves a clear purpose. To keep people connected to one another. To keep faith at the center of daily life. And to preserve a way of living that values community over convenience. That is what Amish Ordnung rules really are.